small and afraid. Never thought I'd make it past these walls. Past these walls. Shaking hands and stuttered words, people turn away. Try to speak but can't be heard. Another empty day. But you saw something more in me than what the world could see. You reached down and set me free. You choose the weak to lead the strong. You give the voiceless ones a song. Everything they say is wrong about me. You're proving right. When I am lost, you make me found. Take all my failures, turn them around. Everything they say is wrong about me is in your life. God has chosen the foolish things of the world to confound the wise. Cut through all the lies. God has chosen the weak things of the world to confound the things which are mighty. God has chosen me. Breaking chains that held me down, learning how to stand. Every doubt begins to drown in your perfect plan. You choose me, you choose me, you use me. Your power flows through my weakness. You choose the weak to lead the strong. You give the voiceless ones a song.